Ngithanda kubingelela nje kuseni egameni lika Jesu kulisondo. Ngibingelele bonke bazalwane lona lokhulumako ngomhlabeleli wetingoma tenkolo eveni laseSwatini babe Mzwakhe Myeni. Umuntu akaqale kubonga nje inkulumo yempostoli Justice indlela lakhulume ngayo. Siyabonga wena yokunene. You are a great leader. You are a great leader. Impela kube bekuthiwa eveni kulabo laba advisor inkosi, you were part of them. Ngabe live alikho la sikhona khona nyalo. Inkulumo yakho icacile nalo bekanga understand ukuthi kwenzakalani uclear nyalo. Kuvuleke ingqondo yathi phaca. Lengakusho nje thank you so much man of God. Qhubeka wende njalo. Qhubeka ulimele leqiniso. Ngibuye kubazalwane ke namhle ekseni ngidothi uma ngabe ufuna lisondo la ungakhonta khona Jesu lophilako, ngicela ufune lisondo le worship center. Likhona lapha eMbabane, eveni. Hamba uyofuna lisondo lempostoli Justice. La khona khona uthola tindzaba tasezulwini, ubuye uthole tindzaba letasemhlabeni la utawukhona kululekwa khona usitakale ngahulumende wakho lohlala kuyo la ubhadala kuyo khona i-tax. Ngithi noma ngawukuphi kubonhlangano emabandla empostoli athe chithisaka. Futhi uma ngabe ngawuthini nami nje sengilishiyile lami ngiyokhonta e-worship center ngoba ngibone indodza yaNkulunkulu lekhonako ku-addressa nama issues lasiphethe nyalo labhlungu kangaka eveni laseSwatini. Ngithothi sibazalwana asambeni se-worship center simikise tinshumi tethu, simikise iminikelo yethu, sinikele futhi sigabanqe, sikhombise injabulo ngoba the man of God uphumele ebaleni wa addressa nathi tinkinga leti sihlukubete kangaka eveni laseSwatini. Ngithothi kumzalwane, if you are still going to a church la khona kunemuntu lombitako uthi ngumfundisi wakho, noma uthi ngiprophet, noma uthi ngiapostle, noma uthi ngibishop, kepha ahluleka ku-addressa nathi tinkinga letisiphethe eveni laseSwatini, yekela kufaka umnikelo wakho kuleli sondo lelo. Yekela kukhipha kweshumi kulo muntu loyo. In fact, stop going to that church. Find a church elsewhere. There is worship center already. Lengabe ngawuya khona uyokhipha imali yakho and support the vision of the apostle. Ngoba ukhuluma liqiniso, umele uNkulunkulu, umele uhulumende, umele sive. If angakubuta nje, what are you receiving from that pastor? Every day when you go there, ukufuna umnikelo, ukufuna kweshumi, kodwa solo uhola kancane, kodwa solo akakhona uku-addressa nathi tinkinga letisiphethe la eveni la kaNgwane. Are you stupid enough to still go to that church? Are you a fool to keep on saying, Papa, I receive? No. If he could not address lama issues lesinawo la eveni, nawo labhlungu kangaka abantu badutshulwa babulawa, naku lekusoloku kukhulunywa bomagawugawu nabo bacede nabo mthandeni. If angakhoni kukungenela, leave that church. Ngithi namhlanje asistrikeni bazalwane. Phumani kula masondo lafile. Yalafuna umnikelo netinshumi kuphela kodwa ahluleka kungenela naso struggle, ahluleka ku-addressa nathi tinkinga letikhona la eveni la kaNgwane. Uyeva every day uyathandazelwa, every day ungena kuma-prayer lines unetinkinga sola dipheli, letinkinga dikho kuwe tikulelive setibuye tukhungatha wena. Bakufuna imali ema-one on one, uthenge ama-oil, uthenge amawashi, uthenge yonke into, uqabanga ukuthi awuthola i-healing. Kuthi i-healing lengiyo ukuthi kuphile nalive. IBhayibheli lithi uma abantu bami batithoba bafuna umbuso wami, mina ngitawukwehla ngiphilise live labo. Uyeva kambe nyalo kufuna kuphilele live khona kutawuphila lokuhlupheka lonako. Ngithi bazalwa nasiyibopheni next week kude emasontweni akuvalwe eminyango ukuthi ngci. Mangabe khona lisondo lesitawuya kulo i-worship center, vula impostoli Justice yenweba, beke emadende ngaphandle. Mangabe kunjani phuma uye stadium, sifuna wena, sifuna kuva wena ukhuluma etimpilweni tethu. Not these pastors and apostles and bishops labasola bathulile kodwa bafuna umnikelo onke emalanga. Nikela uNkulunkulu takubusisa. Akubusise kuphi? Why are you lying to the church if you could not address the issues around our country? Why are you lying to the congregations? Emva kwalokho you take lesikhwama semali, you go and uthenga imoto uphila kamnandi. Church, the first place la kufuna si-address khona leti ndzaba leti kungakafiki nakuma-democratic parties libandla laNkulunkulu bekufuna kube ngabe nyalo ema-intercessors agcwele titedium kuyathandazwa kuthandazelwa nalive ukuthi liguquke nali aphi lama-prayer warriors. Who are you praying for? If ever uhluleka prayer kuthandazela nabo magawugawu nabo bacede nabo mthandeni, why don't you pray for them? Let's stand as a church namuhla siphume sishuqe sithi ke we want change in our kingdom. Ngitothi nje bazalwane, from today let me make this bold statement. If your pastor cannot address issues that are surrounding our lives in our kingdom, he is prohibited to call himself a pastor. He is prohibited to collect tithes and offerings from you. Stop giving him that money. Stop giving that money. You better take that money and feed your children. Because that thing you have received, so far you went to that church. What did you receive? You keep on falling down. What did you receive? Why the bouncers and the cameramen are not falling? Why the rich people in his church are not falling? Why do you fall? Stop giving money to that church. Leave it. If there is a church now that we can go, it's a worship center. Go Pastor Justice. Thank you so much. Send this message to every Christian. Send this message to every brother. Asi emasondweni ebafundisi labahluleka kujoyina na struggle sekuthi sifuna lushintsho eveni la kaNgwane. Ungasayi kuleli sondo lelo, unganikeli. Mabathi nikela ungqunule emehlo nje ugoqe etandla. Aze lo mfundisi wakho lapha phambili ayikhulume le politiki. Aza ayikhulume afake umuvo wakhe ukuthi le live alishintshe kanjani, niqale ukuthandazela bomagawugawu nabo babacede nabo mthandeni nalawa lamanye ama-democratic parties, because ukukhululeka kwale live kukhululeka kwakho. Nathi sesiphumele ebaleni. Awuphumeli ngani wena mfundisi ebaleni? You claim to be a pastor, you claim to be a bishop, you claim to be a prophet. What do you prophesy? You never even prophesied about this thing coming, but you call yourself a prophet. Ngiyacela nje bazalwane, kusukela namuhla siyajuba juqu kuthi umnikelo loya kubafundisi labahleli bangafuni ukukhuluma ba-address nathi tinkinga lesikhona eveni. Thank you.